Hi, I'm Becky, nail technician for Very. I'd like to show you how to create gorgeous mermaid nails. First, prep the nail and apply a base coat. Starting with your lightest colour, paint all 10 nails with one coat. Take a makeup sponge and using your two colours, paint a rough stripe of each colour directly onto the sponge. Use a light tapping motion on each nail to create an ombre effect, leaving out your ring finger as this will be your accent nail. With a new sponge and using the same technique, add a glitter polish. Clean up around the edges. Now for the accent nail. First, apply some white polish directly onto a makeup sponge. Then, hold a piece of net tightly over the nail. Tap the sponge onto the nail. Gently lift away the net and allow to dry. Apply a super shiny top coat to all 10 nails to seal in your design. Finish with dry drops. Beautiful.